You are going to love the 2021 Accord. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find security system, trip computer, power windows, power steering, leather shift knob, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tilt steering wheel, overhead console, panic alarm,